Okay, as Rob was talking earlier, we have our radiator over here. Our steam comes in. Normally the steam will cut across at like a diagonal here. The condensate will fall to the bottom. This part's usually warm or hot to the touch. As that steam is condensing and it turns into condensate, we're talking about our trap. This is our trap right here. It will only work when there is condensate here. When there's condensate here, what we have inside the trap is a bellows. This is a bellows right here, and see this tip right here? Inside here, there's a hole, and it will allow the water to go to our drain. So what happens when it hits the heat, and this is hot, the bellows closes, it won't let any water out the bottom here back to our boiler. But as this cools here, and in your radiator, it's changing into condensate. The condensate cools off that bellows. The bellows will raise up, and when that bellows raises up, it opens up the hole on the bottom and the water goes back to the boiler. So that's how these work. This is the main part of the trap. You do have the bellows here. You can see this is coming to a tip. So when it does get hot, this pulls down and it actually closes your hole off. Then as it cools off, this goes back up and the water can go around this. This is one type. Here is another type. This fits in here the same way. The only difference is here you have a ball inside, and this is your bellows part right here. And this will move up and down with the heat. So again, when you have heat, it expands, and then it unblocks the hole. And then when it cools off, it does the opposite. It will actually cool. The cool condensate will open up to your drain so that your condensate can run out. And that's it.